Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you the recipe for the one and the only mango shake. This is great for having better skin, better eyesight and vision, so you guys should really try this recipe. For this recipe, we're going to be needing 2 mangoes cut in slices, 1 liter of milk. When I moved from abroad and came here, I couldn't really find the taste of milk that I'm used to, but because of quarantine everything, we've been searching around and we found an amazing substitute. Dayfresh's milk is awesome, so you guys should really try it. I have 1 packet of cream, and for 1 liter of milk I'm going to be using around 3 sugar cubes, and if you're measuring it in tablespoons, that'd be around 2 tablespoons, and brown sugar because we want to be healthy, and some honey, almonds, and cashews for drizzling on top later. Okay, so let's get started. First, I have my blender here ready, and I'm going to be adding the mango into my jug over here. Just like that. And I'm going to add in half of my milk at a time. Some more. I'm going to add in the rest later, and obviously the cream. It's out. Okay, there. Cream's out. I'm gonna add in the sugar cubes, and the blender goes on. I'm gonna add in the rest of my milk. Turn the blender back on. And 1 more sugar cube because I put 2 in last time. Okay, there it is. Take this out now. Take the lid off. And I'm gonna pour it into my glasses. Oops. It's okay. You can clean it. Yeah. And the glass. There. Just going to clean up. There. And we're going to head to the toppings now. Yeah, I'm gonna add in the ice cube into this. There, perfect fit. Sprinkle some almonds on top. 1 cashew. 1, 2. There, and obviously honey. 3, 2, 1, 2. Da-da-da-da. There, just enough. And there you have it. Your mango shake is ready. You guys should really try this recipe also because it's really good for your health and it's amazing. So if you don't do this recipe, you're missing out on a lot. So if you follow through, this is what your mango juice should look like. And if you tried this recipe, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos.